Hello everyone, myself Sumit, and today we will see how to use Sharepoint and Power Up connectors to enter the data in Sharepoint list through Power Up. So, this is the list that I have created with the columns name, email, date of birth. So, to enter values in this column, I will use a function in Power Up which is which will will start with a blank canvas, a form. With the help of the form, we will input data in the SharePoint list that already have created in the site in SharePoint. So when we are here in the SharePoint, we will insert edit form input. So we will align it firstly properly. To connect SharePoint and Power Apps, here we will select data and then connectors. And here we can see SharePoint is there. So we have to add our SharePoint connection. Here we can see all the sites that are created by me are there in my SharePoint account. So I will select the site and here the list naming enrollment form. So here I will select. We can see all these forms are lists are there from the site. We will select the desired one where we want the data. Then connect. After connecting, we will see all the fields, all the columns from the SharePoint site will be accessible here. As we can see, all the columns, title, which is first name, then email, date of birth, start date, everything is here. So if I want one column in a row, single row, here I will select single column. So as you can see, we have a single column in each row, and if one of this selection that I don't want, I want to remove, then here is the fields, all the fields. So here I don't want this content type, so I remove it and it will get removed. So I will change the fonts background color for better visibility. So here we can see this form, but when I play it, here we can say no item to display. This is because this form is in edit mode. So select this form. Here we can say default mode edit. When I change this to new, we can see the form in that. Okay, so we are halfway there. Now to connect this, we will use a button here. Change the name of the button to add records, and on select function I will use the logic to submit form. Here we can see a pop-up for the solution. Then this form name. Here we can see the form name is form 1. So here form 1 will be selected. So after this, we'll save it in the app. And save. After saving, when we'll see if it records to the list or not. We'll add the name, then email ID, then date of birth. We will select all the fields. We can also customize what will be the start year, what will be the end year for each calendar that we have selected here. Okay, start date, follow, and then we'll click to add. So now we will check if our data is here or not. Refresh this list. So here we can see that our all the entered data has been recorded to the list. Thank you.